Welcome to my channel. Today I thought I would work on some found object doll art. My neighbor dropped off a box of antique Edison cylinder records, so I thought I would make something with these. If you're wondering where I find my eclectic collection of craft supplies, well, I like to go to the auctions. You never know what you're going to find. Instant relatives. Oh, ideas for weird history videos, ? Resident auction cat. Words to live by. I do love taking these sweet realistic dolls and turning them into that. This one actually went out to LA. I keep thinking I'll see it in a horror movie someday. Here I have gathered some things that could be used to turn these Edison records into interesting doll art pieces. I found some small silver goblets and a short candlestick. These could work as a neat base. I have a variety of doll heads that you could use to fit on top of the records. Some doll head sizes work better than others. This kind doesn't really work at all, not for this project. So let me see, this one actually ends up being a little too big, but I do like those old plastic types. So let's try and put together some and see what we can get. That one's cool. She'll need some eyeballs and hair. We'll have to figure something out with that. Oh, let me find a better record. Here we go. I mean, we could use that one, but it's a little big. So this is actually a better size. I would just have to clean her up a bit. And all of them will need some kind of hair. I like to use yarn, and sometimes I'll add gems. I also like to use tulle around their necks to give them a sort of clown ruffle. And here they are, 3 that I have completed already. As you can see, I bedazzled the top of this one's head, and it has white tulle. I found a golden tulle for these, and I put a gem on her side. That's felting wool, by the way. And then on this one I did yarn and wrapped it around and added some gems. These dolls will be available in my Etsy shop. If anyone's interested in purchasing them, it would be a great way to support the channel. Also, be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, enjoy the day. Bye.